How to fix Instagram Notes music feature not showing. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys a few methods on how you can fix if you don't have the Instagram Note music option. So what I'm talking about is if I just open my app right here, and you will have this note options on your message section. So if you head over to your inbox, you will see this option to drop a note and share it like so. But you can also add music to your notes, so you can see this little music icon right here that allows you to put all of the music that is available on Instagram as your note, and type in a relevant note related to the music. So if you don't see this music option right here, first thing that you want to do is head over to your Google Play Store and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So just quickly search for Instagram, and once you search for it, make sure that it's up to date. And if it is not, then you can just update the app. Then if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is try to switch your account to a business account. So head over to your profile and you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down on your settings to see account type and tools. Just tap on it and switch to professional account. Keep tapping and continue. You can skip all of these, so I'm going to choose whatever for now. So it's you can choose all of these options, and you can remove all of your contact info as well if you want. And right now, once you do this, you can skip all of these process. And after doing this, your account should be turned into a professional account. You can just switch back and tap on settings to switch your account back to your personal account. So just tap on switch account type and switch to personal. Alright, so once you do this, your music option should be visible on your app. Just give your app a quick restart, and then you should be able to view your music. So if you just go ahead and tap right here, you will see the music option. But if this still doesn't fixes it, then that probably means that it's not available on your region for now. You can just wait and wait for Instagram to bring out the update on your region. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.